Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Bluey playing music. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw Bluey's face, starting with his nose. Next, I'll add his big, happy smile. He looks so cheerful. Now, let's draw his two eyes. His eyes are closed, and I'll also add two little eyebrows to complete his expression. Time to draw Bluey's hands. He's holding Keystar tightly. Now, I'll add his two ears on top of his head. Let's not forget his fluffy tail, just like this. And finally, I'll draw his two legs to complete the sketch. To make our drawing stand out, I'll use a black marker to outline everything and make it more visible. Time to color. Now, let's bring Bluey to life with some bright and fun colors. First, I'll use a gray marker to color his eyebrows, hands, and legs. Then, I'll use dark yellow for this part. Next, I'll color his body dark blue. It's his signature color. His face and tail also get a touch of this color. For this part, I'll use a sky blue marker to add some contrast. Now, let's color Keystar. I'll use a green marker for its main color. Then, I'll add yellow and pink to make it extra bright and fun. Great job! We did it! Our drawing of Bluey playing Keystar is complete. Did you have fun drawing with me? If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can create even more fun drawings together. See you in the next video. Goodbye!